Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about repurposing glass jars. Most of us purchase stuff in the grocery store that is coming in glass containers. For example, this pasta sauce. The pasta sauce that we buy just happens to be a simple one, but it has 700 milliliters, and I'm going to focus on this specific container today just because I've been using it for so long, and it's something that I buy for my household quite often in the winter when you don't get very fresh tomatoes, so I can make my own pasta sauce from. So for the winter, this is very convenient. We go through quite a lot of this, as you can tell. But it's wonderful just because it's easy to fit in it so many different things. And I'll start with my tea. I have my tea in this glass jar because I know, first of all, how much I am having. Because it's 700 milliliters, I know that if I have 3 or 4 or however many I have of these, that's how much tea I consume. I can have my water here with maybe a slice of lemon or a piece of ginger, but overall, I know how much fluids I'm getting per day. And it's also a perfect size to fit my hands, and if it's cold, it warms me up. I love it. Another kind of liquid that you could put in something like that would be a smoothie. Today my smoothie is green, so yeah, it could be a little bit intimidating, this color, but I just want to show you how nice it is to grab the smoothie, put it in the jar, and take it with you. If you're going to the gym, if you're out and about and you want to have something healthy with you, this is a wonderful, wonderful container. Of course, just when handling glass, you just have to pay extra attention. It's not like plastic that you can toss it and nothing will happen to it. This can break, or if it's minus 30 outside, this could freeze and potentially crack in your car. So just pay attention, remember it's glass, and take the precautions that you need. Breakfast. Breakfast can go in with your favorite ingredients, whether it's granola or oats. You can do overnight oats with putting your favorite milk, plant milk, or just water. Let it sit in the fridge, and in the morning you can add some dried fruits of your choice, some nuts, fresh fruits, whatever you fancy, and just again, you put the lid on and off you go. You just have it whenever you're ready, and it's very, very convenient. You can add some cinnamon and maybe a pinch of salt, shake it really well, and when you're ready to have breakfast, all you need to do is look for a spoon and you're good. Same with your salad. You can add your favorite ingredients. I have green beans here, but you can put some greens at the bottom, like lettuce, arugula, spinach, your favorite stuff. Add your veggies to it. You can have some chopped cucumbers. You can have some chopped bell peppers or carrots, maybe a couple mushrooms, your favorite protein like chicken, tofu, boiled egg, cheese, you name it. And again, you just close the lid, maybe have a small container of dressing with it, and when you're ready to have your lunch at work, it's just ready. It's very easy. You put the dressing in it, close the lid, shake it well, and have lunch. Storage at home. I keep a lot of things in those jars. It's really convenient. They hold quite a lot. I have my quinoa, I have my popcorn kernels, I have some wheat. It's just convenient, and if you're already buying these, then why not repurpose them? Why not reuse them? If we're talking about recycling, this is a fantastic way to recycle things you already have. I know one thing could be a little bit annoying, and that's the label. To get to a jar looking like this without any labels or residues of glues on it, it's really easy. This is what I do. I wash the container really well, both inside out. And then because the label is wet, I start peeling it off with my fingers. Whatever is left on it, I just leave it. I put the jar down and pour boiling water into the jar. I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what it does, it melts the glue a little bit. Once I have the glue softer, I remove a little bit more with my fingers if I have any label left. And for the glue itself, I take a piece of cloth or a paper towel. I dip it in oil, just any oil you may have at home, and I rub the glue off, and it comes off so easily. It's really easy. You wash it after, and you're done. And it looks like this, because otherwise it wouldn't be nice, right? So this is really easy, really simple. I know it's nothing new. Everybody recycles, and you may have been doing it already. I just wanted to give you some ideas on how to use it, how versatile it is, and how easy it is. So until the next time, take care, everyone.